In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents on Docusign. Simple, 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your Docusign account. Starting from the home dashboard keeps everything in one place and helps you move smoothly through the process. Make sure you've got the final version of your document ready on your computer or in your preferred cloud storage, and that you know exactly who needs to sign. From the dashboard, look for the Start button. Clicking Start creates what Docusign calls an envelope. Think of an envelope as a package that holds your document, the list of people who need to sign, and the instructions that tell Docusign where signatures and dates should go. It's the container that ties the whole workflow together. Next, choose Upload. You can select a file from your computer or pull it in from a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Common formats like PDF and Word work great. If you have multiple files that belong together, add them all now so they're sent in a single envelope. Double check file names in page order to avoid confusion later. Now, add the recipients. Type the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign. Accuracy matters here. The email is how DocuSign delivers the secure link to each signer. If you need to be one of the signers, include yourself as well. You can keep it simple by listing everyone together, or if your workflow requires it, you can assign different roles and an order so one person signs before another. The clearer you are, the fewer follow-ups you'll need. With your recipients in place, move on to tagging the document. This is where you drag and drop the fields onto the page. Place signature fields exactly where they belong, add date signed fields where appropriate, and include text fields if someone needs to fill in details like a title or a purchase order number. Assign each field to the correct recipient using the selector in the tagging panel. Take a moment to zoom in and align the fields neatly. Well-placed tags make the signing experience straightforward for everyone. If DocuSign suggests fields automatically, still give everything a quick review. When everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will email each recipient a secure link to review and sign. They don't need a DocuSign account to complete it. You'll be able to monitor the status from your dashboard and receive notifications as each person signs. And that's it. You've uploaded your document, set your signers, placed your fields, and sent your envelope fast, clean, and ready for signatures.